Good evening, Lake Brantley parents. My name is Mike Cuff. I'm boys PE teacher here at Lake Brantley. I'm starting my 18th year here at Lake Brantley. All right, it's been a wonderful ride for sure. All right. Besides teaching PE, I also coach boys golf and boys basketball, and I enjoy both of them. And we're in the middle of our golf season right now. So far, we're 4-1, and the boys are playing real well. We started conditioning for boys basketball after school on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If your son is interested, have him, go online at lakebrantley.com, go to athletic clearance, and start the procedure of doing the physical in order to participate in the off-season conditioning. Okay. Tryouts will be the week of November for boys basketball. So needless to say, we're real excited about our team this year, and definitely looking forward to it for sure. All right. The classes I teach at Lake Brantley, first period I have golf. Unfortunately, the main gym was hit with some water damage during the summer, and basically all the golf classes, all the golf equipment had to be thrown away. So it has been ordered. So as soon as that comes in, then you'll be able to, more participation as far as golf is concerned. I also teach volleyball third period, and we're down there in the blue gym. We set up the nets, and the kids are starting to play and so forth. And they have an option either to play volleyball or basketball because coaching classes in there also. All right. Grading for PE. We're in the process right now of ordering new uniforms. So if your son or daughter didn't get a uniform yet, they are able to bring clothes from home, a change of clothes. I've been telling them, white or blue, or white shirt for sure, and then blue or black shorts is fine. But next week, we're pretty sure that our second order of a uniform should be coming in, so that way, they'll be able to dress out. But, each day, update Skyward for their grades. If they don't, if they don't have the right shirt on or right shorts or athletic footwear, I do take 5 points off each day that they're not dressed out. And that Skyward is updated after each class. You'll find out, pretty sure, real quick, whether or not that they dressed out that day. Okay. And like I said, everybody starts with 100, and each day they don't dress out, we take 5 points off. All right. What else we got? Okay, weightlifting. Okay, I have weightlifting fourth, fifth, and seventh periods. So, same type of procedure where the kids dress out. We kind of switch up with the different body parts. Like Monday, for example, we do chest and tris. Okay, so they do a lot of bench work and work on their triceps. Tuesday will be like a back and buys situation, or no, leg day is Tuesday and Thursday, and then and the other days, like I said, chest and tris, back and buys, and leg day. Okay, those are pretty much 3 areas that we work on. Most of the kids have really been participating. They want to get a little bit stronger and so forth, and I show them little tricks and so forth, and they've been doing a pretty good job so far. All right. You will see a difference if they continue, I promise. I go to LA Fitness as much as I can. I always run into former students, and the number one question I always ask them is, what would you have done different in high school? And 99% of them always say, I wish I would have started working earlier. Okay. And it's for example, one kid, when I had him here, he was over 400 pounds. And now he's really trained and worked on his diet. He's 30 years old now, and he weighs 290 pounds. So every time I see him, I go up to him, I hug him, and just tell him how proud I am of him. Okay, and that's the thing, is just trying to set up an exercise program for your son or daughter, and something they can kind of build out throughout their life for sure. Okay, what else we do here? All right, dressing out, participation. Like I said, it's you get 5 points a day, and as long as they have the right shirt, right shorts, and athletic football, their grade will stay pretty high for sure. Okay, and like I said, I update Skyward every day, and that way you'll know their current average. All right, that's pretty much it. I apologize for not being able to be at open house, but unfortunately, we have a golf match that day, and so we have a home match against at Wapavo, and we're playing Winter Springs, so that's why I had to do this video. But if you need to get in touch with me for any reason, the best way to contact me is through email. Okay, my_cuff@scps.k12.fl.us, and I'll respond within 24 hours for sure. And like I said, I think Skyward, pretty much daily. So if you have any questions about your son or daughter's grades, just email me, shoot me an email, and I'll tell you exactly what's happening. All right, everybody have a good night. Enjoy, Lake Brantley. We're, like I said, we're fired up about this school year, and I promise we'll get through it.